small tip for all computer users out there. If you seem to have a problem when you're watching YouTube videos, i.e. halfway through the video it suddenly stops and it says, oh, there's some sort of error, maybe you need to refresh and start over again and watch it. But it continues, and it leaves you like scratching your head, wondering, what the hell, how do I solve it? What's the problem, how do I solve it? Well, we believe it's simple. If you're using Mozilla Firefox and you decide to use certain add-ons, they may be the problem. We were wondering what the hell was doing that and tried many ways to overcome it without luck, without success. Then we realized maybe it's one of those add-ons. So we took a guess and blocked or stopped YouTube sponsorship and YouTube non-stop, and also YouTube enhancer. We didn't really have to do that with that one. We found out later it wasn't really a problem, but we don't really need it. We didn't really need it. As long as we had uBlock Origin or a decent ad blocker, we'd be okay. So that fixed the problem. So there you go, world. There's a tip, a free tip for you if you ever have that problem.